For today's workout, I will be using this FlexBase Studios medium resistance loop band. I work for FlexBase Studios. This is not sponsored, but I will put my discount code in the description box down below if you want to buy this band set. This set of flex bands comes with one TheraBand, 2 loop bands, 1 sectioned band, and 1 fabric loop band. And for this core workout, I'll be using the medium resistance loop band on my feet. These are exercises that I've implemented almost every day before my ballet classes to really keep a strong and engaged core. With the band on our feet, let's begin with some toe taps, just lowering our toes down to the floor and lifting back up. Make sure your belly button is moving to your spine, back is flat on the floor, and exhale on the way down. Option to put your hands underneath your bum here so that you don't lift your back as easily.
That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Finishing the last one, as always, we have Tabatas in our workouts, and we'll be doing 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Similarly to our toe taps, we're going to do leg lowers with our knees extended. So the exact same idea, slightly pulling the band out away from the midline of our body so that we keep it taut, and you'll really feel the outside of your hips here as well. Keep going.
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Give yourself a quick 10-second breather. We're going to be keeping the band on our feet as we do our Pilates 100s. Lift your head and your neck, slightly think of lifting your pelvis, and on the exhale we pulse our arms down for 5, and on the inhale we lift our palms to face the ceiling and pulse our arms up for 5. Keeping our knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your lower back is flat on the floor. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Give yourself a hug, rest for 10 seconds, and then we're going to do heel taps, lifting our head and our neck and our shoulders off the floor, really engaging our lower and upper abdominals. Keep going.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather. Grab a sip of water if you need. The next one will be propped up on our elbows with our back straight, sitting on our glutes. Lift your legs to hover. To make it easier, lift them higher. To make it more difficult, lift them lower. And against the band, you lower one foot, tap it down and bring it up, and then lower the other foot. If the band creeps up to your ankles, don't worry. I know this one's really difficult, but keep your knees stretched. If you need, keep your legs high and then just lower them slightly, as much as you can against the band. Keep your core engaged, belly button to spine. Keep your neck in line with your shoulders and in line with your back. Keep going.
Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars.
Finishing in 2 and 1. Amazing. I know that one was really difficult, but don't worry, we have a more difficult one after this. So lift your head and your neck. You're going to flex your feet against the band and go into a bicycle crunch, and then pulse your knee closer for 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch and do the other leg for 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going in your own time. This one's really difficult and you should feel your lower abdominals while lifting your head and your neck, keeping your back flat on the floor, and you should also feel your obliques. Keep going, 20 more seconds, halfway there.
Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again.
And finish the last one. Amazing. And next we have a regular low plank on our elbows, tucking our toes under, slightly lifting our hips.
Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it.
35 more seconds.
I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at
In 3, 2, 1, let's lower down, and we're going to go back to that low plank with the band on our ankles, lifting one leg and pulsing it up. So let's shift our shoulders on top of our elbows, tuck our toes under, and lift one leg, and lift it again, and keep lifting. We're going to do 30 seconds of just one side and then 30 seconds of the other side. Lift your belly button to your spine. Don't let your lower back collapse, and push the floor away with your elbows to engage your pecs and your back. Keep going. Switch sides.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Stretch it out. Relax for a second. Let's go to a side plank on our elbow. 3, 2, 1. Side plank for 40 seconds.
I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way.
Lower down, take 10 seconds of rest in between, and we do 40 seconds of a side plank on our elbow on the second side in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. Second side.
Felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
And relax down. Beautiful. Swing your legs around. Go onto your back, and we have reverse crunches. So reverse crunches, you cross your ankles and you're gonna lift your hips off the floor without using momentum. So you're really using your core to lift your hips and lift your lower back. Try not to swing your legs forward and back, just lift them to the ceiling and back down. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Plant your feet flat on the floor. Take your hands behind your neck and behind your head. And we're going to flex our left foot, bring our left knee close to our right elbow, and then flex the foot away, lower to hover off the floor. Bring the knee to the elbow and flex the foot away. Keep going for 20 seconds on one side. And let's switch sides. Bring the left elbow to the right knee and flex the foot. Extend the knee to hover. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today for this 10-minute killer core workout. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.